Week 7 of my 52-week challenge, and I'm walking to my home studio in my pajamas after years of working from commercial spaces and juggling client deadlines. It feels so good to finally make just for the love of it. This week, I'm upcycling a thrifted Ottoman into what I hope becomes an heirloom for my best friend's new baby. Because handcrafted is true luxury. By the way, I'm Tarina Nicole, FIT trained accessory designer who's taught leather craft for over 20 years. I teach creative women how to make luxurious leather goods from upcycled materials. But how do you weave a theme into a reupholstery project? Let's find out. I thrifted this Ottoman a couple years ago, actually. I liked it initially because of its mid-century modern aesthetic. It's really simple, minimalistic, has solid wood legs. I love the way they slant in. And of course, I love the fact that it is a storage ottoman and the interior is in excellent shape. But I had no ideas for it until recently. And now that I'm helping my friend design the nursery for her baby, I am going to upcycle this to fit into her room. And so the theme of the room is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and the colors are sage green, cream, and gold as like the accent color. And so I have a lot of this green leather. It's not sage, but it's green nonetheless. And then I have some leather that is closer to sage, and I have a couple packs of this close to sage green piping. Originally, I thought to go with the theme, I would cut some cream leather as the moon and do some white clouds as appliques either in front, behind the moon, and then do some reverse appliques and have this gold behind the reverse appliques. But then I started thinking about just how long you get before Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is no longer cool for a kid. And I really want this ottoman to be something that stays in the kid's life for some time, if that's what he or she wants. And so I wanted to do something maybe a little more age neutral, like Matisse cutouts. I've always have been a fan of Matisse cutouts, kind of obsessed really. And it's gender neutral, it's age neutral, and I can do same color story but with cutouts. And I think that'll be fun because it's playful, it's organic, and it's something for a baby's room, but also could be cool and artsy for a teenager or even an adult. So that's where I'm leaning. But I was worried about whether or not that would throw off the theme of the room with this one piece being Matisse cutouts inspired. But I think it'll be fine. I mean, it's a small ottoman. It'll still be in the color story. It'll be sitting in the corner of the room with a big teddy bear on top. And so I don't think it will be an eyesore or throw off the theme when it's just that small and kind of insignificant. So I am going to play with some ideas. I have my sketchbook and we'll see. But I think Matisse cutouts is the direction I'm going in. So this is the sketch. It's Matisse-Inspired. I'm not sure if I'm going to do as many shapes as this, but maybe. So I think I'm just going to freestyle the cutting of the shapes. I'm just going to freehand it, cut it, take it from there. After a few minutes of cutting various shapes in the 4 colors that I'm playing with. This is what I got for the top of the ottoman, and I like it. Let's stitch it. Okay, so I finished the top cover. I haven't attached it to the ottoman, and now I'm working on like the body. And so what I've done thus far is measured the side, and I've decided that I'm cutting out, instead of one piece that's going to wrap around the entire body, it's going to be one piece per side. So I cut out 4 rectangles that will fit it, plus a little seam allowance. And that's where the piping is going to go. The piping is going to go in between each of these. So I'm doing 3 of the lighter green, just closer to the sage, and 1 of the dark green. I still feel a little iffy about whether or not this is going to clash with the Twinkle Little Star theme if I put a bunch more of these organic shapes, even though I love them. So I'm trying to decide if I wanted to just do 1 shape per side and let it be, or continue to go crazy with the shapes. I don't know. I still stand on my opinion that, once the Twinkle Little Star thing is played out for the child, then this can remain, because it's not really a theme. Like it stands on its own. But until that happens, I don't want it to be like this one thing that just kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. But again, I've already done this much, so kind of feel like let's keep going, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to cut out some more shapes. I have this pile over here, so I'm going to cut out some more shapes and lay them, play with them, decide what I'm going to do, then get to stitching those 4 sides together with the piping so that I can attach it all to the ottoman and get this to where it's going tomorrow. It's going tomorrow, so I need to get this done. So my compromise has been to simply go ahead and do the cutouts because I love them, but to keep them sparse, keep them pretty sparse, just a couple of them on each of the panels so that it's not really overwhelming. Just keeping it really light, since we have such a cluster at the top. Kind of just spattered them gently around the body. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm very tired. It is 1 o'clock in the morning, so I'll get up and do the stitching in the morning. But I'm happy with this. I mean, I before I can stitch the 4 sides together, I have to stitch each of the shapes down. So I have to do my top stitching and then stitch the panels together with the piping in between. I'm not really sure how the piping's going to look, but I'm going to try it because I think it could be really special. But if not, if I don't like it, I'll pull it out. Hello there. Good morning.
tie. It was, you know, I use that same Reupholster, but it works for me. Okay, it's in the middle of sewing. I'll find you another one. Close my door. Appreciate you so much. Thank you. It's not Mother's Day. Daddy just loves me.
I'm feeling high. 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 I'm failing.
It's done, and I absolutely love it. And most importantly, the new parents absolutely love it for their nursery. So let me know in the comments, would you use art as inspiration for a reupholstery project? Let me know, and thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share with your creative friends. Until next time, stay creative.